Welcome to our YouTube channel Education Enclave, dear viewers and learners. Assalamu alaikum. Today's video is on one liner on supports. आपके सहूलियत के लिए वन लाइनर टाइप बनाया ऑन सपोर्ट्स पर, जो आपको मेमोराइज रहेगा जल्दी ही। पहला जो पॉइंट है वो है, व्हेन वाज द फर्स्ट ओलंपिक गेम्स ऑर्गेनाइज्ड। फर्स्ट ओलंपिक गेम्स ऑर्गेनाइजर कब हुए? वो है 1896 एट ए पुलिस एथेंस में। ये हुए ऑर्गेनाइज कब? 1896 एथेंस में। I see who founded the International Olympic Committee in the year 1894 में। इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी किसने बनाया? इन 1894 में ये बनाया पीरी डी कोबर्टीन। ये फ्रांस का है, इसी ने बनाया। पीरी डी कोबर्टीन ने बनाया इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी इन द ईयर 1894। Who was the first chairman of the International Olympic Committee? So first international chairman of the International Committee Olympic Committee was Dimitrios Viklos 1894 से 1906 तक। The first president of the Indian Olympic Association was the president was Sir Dorabji Tata. The first Indian woman member of the International Olympic Committee is Neeta Ambani. The Olympic flame was started in which Olympic Games? It was started in the Olympic Games of 1928. Who was the first player from India to participate in the Olympic Games? Was Norman Prizzard. The USA's swimmer Michael Phelps, Golden Shark, won the most golden medals in single Olympics. Which country set the world record for winning the most 55 gold medals in an Olympic? Was Russia, 1988 Seoul. Who was the first Indian woman player to participate in the Olympic Games? Mary Leela Rao. Which country has hosted the Olympic Games for most of the times? Is United States of America. Who is the female player to win the most gold medals in the Olympic Games? Larina Leviania. लेरिना लेवियानिना। हम बात कर रहे हैं वन लाइनर ऑन स्पोर्ट्स पर। Which continent does the green rings displays that is painted on the Olympic flag? Is Oceania. Who was the first Indian to reach the final of the athletics event in Olympics? Is Malika Singh, 400 meters race in the year 1960. Who was the flag bearer of the Indian continent at the opening and closing ceremony of the Tokyo Olympics? Opening ceremony is MC Mary Kom, Manpreet Singh, and in closing is Bajrang Punia. Where did the 33rd Olympic Games 2024 held? It was held in Paris, that is in France. The first golden medal of Tokyo Olympic 2020 was won by the young Queen of China in the women's shooting. Who was the first Indian woman to reach the final of the Olympics? It was P.T. Usha. How many players of Indian participated in Tokyo Olympics 2020? 127 in 18 sporting events. When was the first Commonwealth Games organized? The first Commonwealth Games organized in the year 1930 at a place Hamilton in Canada. In which year did India first participated in the Commonwealth Games? In the year 1934 in London. Where was the 22nd Commonwealth Games organized? Birmingham in England. What is the motto Where was the 22nd Commonwealth Games organized? It was organized in Birmingham in England. What is the motto of Commonwealth Games 2022? Games for all. Who won the first gold medal for India in the Commonwealth Games is Mirabai Chanu. Mira won the first gold medal for India in the Commonwealth Games. So where will the 23rd Commonwealth Games be held? ये कहाँ पर held हुए? ये विक्टोरिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. Who has become the youngest athlete from India to participate in the Commonwealth Games 2022? ये Anahata Singh. In which sport India has got maximum medals in Commonwealth Games 2022? Wrestling में ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेट ज़्यादा स्पोर्ट इंडिया हैज गॉट मैक्सिमम, जिसमें मैक्सिमम मेडल लिए कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में 2022 में, वो है रेसलिंग. विच कंट्री हैज होस्टेड द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स? जिसने ज़्यादा मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स वो है ऑस्ट्रेलिया. हाउ मेनी कंट्रीज पार्टिसिपेटेड इन कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स 2022? दैट इज 72. Which player was awarded the David Dixon Award in the year 2018? वो था वेट लिफ्टर डेविड लिटी, वो न्यूजीलैंड का है. Where was the first Asian Games held? First Asian Games held in New Delhi in 1951 में. What is the symbol of the Asian Games? Shining sun. What was the mascot of the 18th Asian Games? Bin, a golden bird, kaka, a horned rhinoceros, and a tongue deer. Who is the first Indian woman wrestler to win a gold medal in Asian Games? Is Vinesh Phogat. In which game was the first video referral system used in Asian Games in 2018 में? वो थे हॉकी. World's first cricket club was formed in Hambledon in 1760s. Highest regulatory body of cricket is International Cricket Council (ICC). It is headquartered in Dubai. The highest regulatory body of cricket in India. Highest regulatory body of cricket in India is Board of Control for Cricket in India, जिसको BCCI, Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI. The Federation of International Hockey established. So the Federation of International Hockey was established on 7th January 1924. Its headquarters is located at Lausanne in Switzerland. Hockey's first World Cup was held in, वो कहाँ पर हेल्ड हुआ? ब्रेसिलोना, वो स्पेन में है. कब? इन 1971. द विनर ऑफ विच, इसमें जिसने विन किया ये गेम वो था पाकिस्तान. Dash is believed to be the originator of the football game. So football game's originator is England, is believed to be the originator of the football game. The Federation International de Football Association, FIFA, Federation International de Football Association, established in the year 1904 में ये establish हुआ. क्या कौन? Federation International de Football Association. So the game volleyball जो game है is considered to be the birthright. ये कहाँ पैदा हुई? ऑफ अमेरिका में ये पैदा हुई. कौन सी? वॉलीबॉल. So volleyball was started by, ये कहाँ पर स्टार्ट हुआ? विलियम, किसने स्टार्ट किया? विलियम जी मॉर्गन इन 1825 में. इंटरनेशनल बैडमिंटन फेडरेशन, जो इंटरनेशनल बैडमिंटन फेडरेशन IBF, ये हाईएस्ट रेगुलेटरी बॉडी ऑफ बैडमिंटन है. ये कहाँ पर एस्टेब्लिश हुई? इन 1937 में एस्टेब्लिश हुई. इसका जो हेडक्वार्टर है किसका? इंटरनेशनल बैडमिंटन फेडरेशन का जो हेडक्वार्टर है वो कहाँ पर है? कोलालमपुर इन मलेशिया. Dash is considered the originator of the table tennis. England is considered the originator of the table tennis. So the game is also called, is also known as ping pong. पिंग पोंग एसोसिएशन द रेगुलेटरी बॉडी ऑफ टेबल टेनिस, ये फॉर्म हुई कब? इन 1921 में. In the year 1926 it is named, that is पिंग पोंग एसोसिएशन का जो नाम है वो चेंज हुआ किसमें? इंटरनेशनल टेबल टेनिस फेडरेशन, ITTF, इंटरनेशनल टेबल टेनिस फेडरेशन. सो जो इंटरनेशनल टेबल टेनिस फेडरेशन है इसका जो हेडक्वार्टर है वो कहाँ पर है? वो लूसेन, ये जो लूसेन है ये कहाँ है? स्विट्जरलैंड में. सो आज का जो वीडियो है ये है वन लाइनर ऑन सपोर्टर्स. ऑलरेडी हमने इस पर एक वीडियो दिया सपोर्टर्स पर, द वर्ल्ड ऑफ सपोर्टर्स. आज इसके आपकी सहूलियत के लिए वन लाइनर ऑन सपोर्टर्स पर बनाया, जिसमें पहला है व्हाट वाज. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब our channel Education Enclave. God bless you.